Life cycle of black flies. It is noted that male and female feed on nectar, but 90% female of different species require blood meal to develop their eggs. Some of the species are autogenous, that is, they can produce eggs without blood meals, and instead depends on energy acquired during larval stages. Facultative autogeny is also seen in some species. The breeding site of the black flies are in running water, such as torrential mountain streams to slow-moving lowland rivers. The adult female lays several hundreds of eggs, ranges from 25 to 800 directly on the water surface during flight, or as sticky masses on partially submerged stones, vegetations in running or flowing water. Some species may oviposit in moist fissures in river banks. Remember that these eggs are highly sensitive to desiccation. Hatching of the eggs takes a few days in warm conditions, but it may take longer time in temperate areas. There are 4 to 11 larval instars in the life cycle of black flies. The most commonest number is 11. Larvae normally remain attached to submerged vegetation or any objects in water. They anchor posteriorly where the head regions remain up or towards the water surface. Pupae of black flies don't feed. The pupal period is around 2 to 6 days. Then adult flies emerge.